Hi, I'm Darren. Today we're doing a little road trip, taking the family out. We got Orn's auntie in the back and cousin, and Ananda's second cousin as well. We're going to check out our Look, which is a town north of where we live in Krabi. It's got some beautiful stuff there. We're going to look at a car for Orn's auntie, check out a restaurant, and hopefully check out a market as well. Should be a good day out. Well, we found the car shop. We've got lots of cars here. Which car? Hello, g'day. Yeah? Oh, apparently we haven't got a car in particular that we're looking at. We're looking at all of them. Maybe me Benz. In Thailand, a Mercedes are known as Benz. Our Benz, mate? Samlan. So Nissan, that's my car. We do still have to wear masks in public in Thailand. Seems Auntie's interested in the Nissan here. So Nissan Note. 300,000 baht for this one. Finish? Finish. Okay, that was quick. Tamarai. We got tears. I think unsuccessful deal. Restaurants now, got to sanitize your hands before you enter and also sign in case there's an outbreak. This is a restaurant that I've been wanting to come to for a long time. Saw this place a couple of years ago on Instagram, and every time we've driven through here, I've always wanted to come. Never gotten around to it yet. Lunch is served and it all looks divine. You've been getting in? Good food? Yes. Yes? I'm going to try out stuffed omelettes with crab. Very similar to the one we had in Bangkok fairly recently at Krua Apsong. We haven't been out much to restaurants recently, like most people around the world, I guess. Try this out. It looks good. It is good. Eggy, lots of crab in there. Very tasty. Oh, prawn cakes. They've got a great range of food here. Lots of southern food and some stuff that you won't see at many other places. I'll try these little fried fish that I ordered. Yum. Very crunchy, very fishy. They are delicious. What else have we got? Pak liang with egg. We got a seaweed salad as well with seafood, and also got these stuffed fish. You won't see these in too many places. We've had them before in Phuket, Orn cooked them recently while we're in lockdown. That is good. There are stuffed mackerel, stuffed with a spicy curry. It's a little sweet. Probably better actually in Phuket and more mudong. Still very tasty though. Auntie Pon got a pad thai. Pad thai good? Good. Try the sea grape salad with seafood. What do you think of that one? It's good? Good food here, yeah. Somewhere you drive past if you're driving between Phuket and Krabi. That also really good. It's a little sour, a bit sweet, quite spicy. Sea grapes have got a nice seafoody taste. Really good. Who'll try the egg? You tried? Too many vegetables for you. Yes? Do like the look of that. Absolutely delicious. Sweet, eggy. The leaf's got a good texture. Gotta say, food is really good. Got a great range of stuff in the menu. Most of it's priced between about 80 to 200 baht. Good value, great taste. Well worth checking out. So what do we think? Aroy mai? Aroy, aroy, aroy. So our next stop is actually why we came here. We're going to go and check out a famous temple in the area that Auntie Pon has never been to. We've been there a few times. You would have seen it if you follow us on Facebook. We've been there twice in the last couple of years. One of the best temples I've ever seen in Thailand. One of the many places where there's double pricing in Thailand. Thai people come in free, but Farang 50 baht ใช่ไหม ขอบคุณครับ Alright, let's go take a look. ขอบคุณครับ It is, as I said, very beautiful temple. Loads of Buddhas down that way. Big courtyard area and plenty of beautiful art in here as well. Really is a stunning temple. These Buddhas go all the way right around and back around there. So there's no shoes in here. You leave your shoes at the gate. So much attention to detail. The Thai mythological creature, a yak, type of Thai giant, a letter in the alphabet named after him. And literally dozens and dozens of little Buddhas in windows up there. The type of Thai mythological creature. Fruit. This place is so beautiful. I'm going to the main temple area. Again, really amazingly beautiful. Have a look, there's a monk doing blessings in there. Big Buddha here. So beautiful. This definitely is a really beautiful temple, well worth checking out if you come to Krabi or Ao Nang. It's about 40 minutes from Ao Nang. As I said, we've been here a number of times now and it never fails to impress. There's plenty of other stuff in the area as well. There's kayaking here, there's caves to explore, there's lots of markets as well. Some great food, and there's a really beautiful national park as well. I made a video on that one when I first arrived here in Krabi about 8 years ago. It also never fails to impress. I'm always in awe every time I go there. There's also a really cool little jungle market just outside the temple on the weekend. Saturday and Sunday it opens at about 8 o'clock and runs through most of the day. It's worth checking out. Likewise, you would have seen this place before if you follow us on Facebook. So that's the temple. Off to the market. And last stop for today is Ao Look Market. On drags me here reasonably regularly for pig ear. Do the best grilled pig ear in Krabi. It's a great little market. You go straight past it if you're driving from Phuket to Krabi. And this is the shop here. That's what we want. You can see it's rather popular. You've got the grill just there, cooked fresh. Can you get me one too, please? Sorry? Ao ear, please. Okay. 5 minutes more. Right next door is the sausage shop. Yes, grab me a wonton please. Your E1. Heaps of yummy local food here. It is a great little market. It's also clothes, fresh food, fruit. It's quite busy. I think everyone's happy now that things are safe here with regards to the virus. We're happy to get back to the markets. It's a very, very colourful little market. Cha Yan Cup. Little tea shop here. I think I'll grab an iced tea. Got green tea, Thai iced tea, iced chocolate, and a coconut drink there, as well as assorted jellies and things here. Thai milky iced tea. Cup. Cup on my cup. Love this stuff, milky and sweet. And icy cold, perfect. So that is one day in Ao Look. It's a great little town, well worth checking out if you're in Krabi or in Ao Nang, looking for something different to do. It's a bit off the tourist trail. We'll see you very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.